A vehicle covers a distance of 76.8 km for 1.2 liter of petrol. How much distance will it cover for 1 liter of petrol? Here, total distance is given, that is 76.8 km. Total distance covered is 76.8 km using 1 liter of petrol. If so, how much distance will it cover in 1 liter of petrol? To find this, we need to divide. Yes, this word problem is a division word problem. If so, how we can do it? We have to write the statement like, first write total distance covered is 76.8 kilometer, and we have another information also, that is quantity of petrol used. How much quantity of petrol is used here? 1.2. So write quantity of petrol is 1.2 liters. So what we need to find? Distance covered in 1 liter of petrol we need to find. So write that statement also as distance covers in 1 liter of petrol, that is 76.8 divided by 1.2. So when you divide 76.8 by 1.2, we'll get our answer. But both the numbers are decimal numbers. How can we find? So convert the numerator decimal number as 768 by 10, and 1.2 can be written as 10 by 12. Okay. Actually 1.2 can be written as 12 by 10. So reciprocal we are writing 10 by 12. And 12 and 768 we can cancel using 12th table. In 12th table 12 goes 1 times and 768 goes 64 times. And now all the left out numbers we have to multiply. Here we have the numerator 64 into 10, and in the denominator we have 10 into 1. Again 10 and 10 we can cancel using 10th table. So the left out number is 64 kilometer. Therefore 1 liter of petrol will cover 64 kilometer. This is how we can find it. And next we'll see the second sum, that is cost of leveling a land at the rate of rupees 15.50 square feet is rupees 10,075. Find the area of the land. How we will level the ground? How we can level the ground? Actually, we need to pay the money 10,075 for leveling the ground. It is calculated at the rate of 15 rupees 50 paise per square feet. If so, what is the area of the land we need to find? So write the statement as, we know the total cost and how much rate is charges, and we need to find the area of the land. So write area of the land is equal to 10,075 divided by 15 rupees 50 paise. Here in the denominator we have a decimal number. So convert the decimal number as a fractional number. So we can write 100 by 1550, because 15.50 can be written as 1550 by 100. The reciprocal is 100 by 1550. And now 100 and 1550 we can cancel using 50th table directly. Okay, so 2 50s are 31 50s are, and write the remaining all the left out numbers. 10,075 by 2 by 31. Again we can cancel 31 and 10,075 using the 31 table directly. So 31 ones are 31 and 10,075 goes 325 times. So the left out numbers are